Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Abdali English Grammar. Lesson, Direct Indirect. Let's learn about direct and indirect speech. Reported speech. Reported speech is a term we use when telling someone what another person said. There are two kinds of reported speech you can use: direct speech, indirect speech. Direct speech sentence mentions the exact words the other person said. Example, KRYZ said, "These are my necklaces." Indirect speech changes the original speaker's words. Example, KRYZ said, "Those were all her necklaces." Let's dive into the details. What is direct speech? Direct speech, also known as quoted speech, is when we report someone's exact words. When using direct speech, we typically place the speaker's words inside quotation marks. For instance, if someone says, "I love chocolate," in direct speech, we would report it as follows: "He said, I love chocolate." Notice how we maintain the original speaker's words and use quotation marks. What is indirect speech? Indirect speech, also called reported speech, is when we convey someone's words indirectly, without using quotation marks. With indirect speech, we report the meaning or idea expressed by the speaker, rather than their exact words. Let's continue with our previous example. Instead of using direct speech, we can express it as indirect speech. He said that he loves chocolate. In this case, we are reporting the idea expressed by the speaker, but not their exact words. Speech reports consist of two parts: the reporting clause and the reported clause. In this example, the sentence outside of inverted commas is a reporting speech, and the sentence inside the inverted commas is reported speech. The reporting clause includes a verb such as say, tell, ask, reply, shout, usually in the past simple, and the reported clause includes what the original speaker said. Let's move on to the conversion. When we convert direct speech to indirect speech, we often need to make adjustments to pronouns, verb tenses, and other elements. Let's explore these changes in more detail. Let's start with changes of pronouns. While making the changes from direct and indirect speech, one should be having knowledge of rules of changes in pronouns. Before heading towards the rules for the changes of pronouns, you should have the clear understanding about the first person, second person, and the third person in a sentence. So let's have a look at the table. First person, in this perspective, the speaker refers to themselves, I, or their group, we. Second person, here, the speaker addresses the listener directly, using the pronoun you. Third person, this perspective involves the speaker talking about someone or something else using pronouns like he, she, it, or they. To make it easy, let's understand it through sun concept. In sun concept, S is subject, O is object, N is representing no change. 1 is a first person. 2 is a second person. 3 is a third person. The first person in reported speech changes according to the subject of reporting speech. The second person in reported speech changes according to the object of reporting speech. The third person remains unchanged. Let's take an example. Ollie said to the teacher, "I am fine." Here Ollie is a subject. Teacher is an object, and in the reported clause I is a first person. So according to the sun rule, first person in reported speech change according to the subject, so in the indirect speech I will be changed according to the subject of the reporting clause, which is Ollie, so the sentence will become Ollie told the teacher that he is fine. The important thing to notice here is the first person I got replaced by he. The man said to his wife, "You are kind." Here the man is a subject. Wife is an object, and in the reported clause, you is a second person. So according to the Sun rule, second person in reported speech change according to the object, so in the indirect speech you will be changed according to the object of reporting clause, which is wife, so the sentence will become the man told his wife that she is kind. The important thing to notice here is the second person you got replaced by she. Teacher says to the principal, she is a good girl. Here the teacher is a subject. Principal is an object, and in the reported clause, she is a third person. So according to the Sun rule, third person in reported speech remains unchanged, so in the indirect speech she will not be changed. So the sentence will become teacher told the principal that she is a good girl. The important thing to notice here is the third person she remained the same in the indirect speech. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, and we will see you in the next video.